Good morning, guys. Today we continue our weekly forecast. So this is the week of, here we start in Monday the 11th till Friday the 15th. Okay, so we start with the USD index. You can download this from Light Forex station. They have all the indexes in MT4. This is very nice. So the USD index, we expect a crash this week. So last week we said there's going to be a strong, then it got to the 96.6 level. We expect this to offer a very strong resistance. So this will be a really nice crash this coming week. We move to the Euro index. So we expect the Euro to continue going down. Not very much, but will continue going down slightly. The Pound index, we expect the Pound index to continue the uptrend. Watch out because there's so much news about the Pound. So technically we're still in uptrend, we're going up. So we have the 21 crossing the 50 going down, now it's going back up, and the 50 above the 250. So this is a very good place for longer position. The franc index, so this is a downtrend. We expect a small correction, maybe up to here and just reverse a little bit higher and reverse. So we'll continue going down. New Zealand, watch out, there is a cash rate announcement on February 13th. This will determine the New Zealand dollar direction. Australian dollar, it was uptrend and was fundamentally solid going up. Last week we had a surprise announcement from the RBA and they said that the rate hike is just equal to the rate cut. So this makes Australian dollar neutral, maybe a little bit neutral to slightly up. Some people will say down, but what I feel like is RBA are trying to keep the Australian dollar down and they're not gonna have a rate cut. So I will be slightly bullish in Australian dollar. Canadian. So Canadian is expected to get stronger. Last week we had the oil drop in a little bit, so you can see also the Canadian dollar get affected and dropped a little bit, then start to pick up again. So we expect this maybe to come a little bit down, then continue up. And also last week news, Friday was good in the Canadian dollar. Japanese index, we expect this to continue going down. So maybe go a little bit up and go down. And if you look at the Japan 225 stock, also last week was going down and we expect it to crash. USD crude WTI, we expect this to go up from this level. So if you get to test the 51 level, this will be a very good place to have a longer position. We expect this to go up to 60. Gold. Gold was good to buy at 1300, but now is not really good to buy. We expect gold to go up a little bit as we expect the dollar index to go down. But I would prefer to sell it at 1330, not to buy it now. It's not worth buying. So wait to get to 1325, 28, 1330 in this level, and with your first signal at this level, short it. 1332 is a very strong resistance, and at least you're gonna have a correction, if not a reversal. So this will be a really good place to sell gold, 1330. So if you rally to 1330 this week, then just sell it there. Silver, same thing, like wait to go up, then sell it up there. It's not worth buying now. You have a buy signal in the H4. Maybe it will go up a little bit, then just so we go to Apple. Apple is a very good buy. So it crashed here, the 15 below the 250. Moving average is at 21, just to cross that 50. Now we expect this to fly up. This is really good investment. Japanese stock, we have seen this expected to crash this year. So it crashed last week a little bit. So we expect maybe a little bit up, going up, and continue down. Australian 200 will be good for buy if it just come to this level. now is not really great. DAX dropped to this level, so you can buy it now. This is good. So this now the 50 moving average in the 4 hour above the 250, so we're an uptrend. So the price came to test the 200 moving average, and this resistance just bounced back. This is really good to buy. We expect a continuation to go up. Remember, we were saying to buy it from here. We were saying if you would buy the UK stock and the German stock, and we have said that buy it from this level before. So now this is also a good price to buy. This was just a correction. Euro is really good to buy, euro dollar, because we expect the euro index to go slightly down, but the dollar index to crash. So at this price, at this level, this is really good. 1.32 level is very good to buy the euro. Now we go to USD Japanese yen. This is wonderful sell. I've said sell at 110. This is not gonna go to 111, 112, and all this dreams some people have that is gonna go back to 113. This is not gonna happen. It's going down to 105. Okay, so this is my forecast. I may be wrong. So at 110, this is a beautiful resistance to sell at. Even if it go up, it's gonna go 20, 50 bips at maximum. It's not gonna fly up. It's not gonna happen. You have a nice sell here, beautiful sell. So you came down from this level. You continue here, up signal here, early indication of a sell. You just lose the momentum here. You're just gonna crash down. This is going down to 108. Okay, so now remember this, from this level to this level, 78. Then you're gonna continue 130 bips. Okay, then you're gonna go further down. So USD Japanese yen is just for sale for sure. Now go to USD franc. This is really good also to sell. If you pay attention to something, I made the background coded. So this is pink background, so it means a sell. USD franc also sell. Okay, so the background will give you indication if it's a buy or it's a sell. So USD franc is a sell. Okay, this one here. This is really nice. So the 50, it just came up here above the 250, and this uptrend still, but now this is a really nice early indication of reversal or a nice correction. So this will be a very good place to sell at a good price. The one around price is something to do with the Switzerland central bank. They like this round number to not exceed the dollar, not exceed this number. Pound dollar, so this is blue background, so we're positive. Okay, so this is up. Watch out the news in GDP, and we have news. Okay, so watch out for this, but I am positive. This correction has completed now. We believe this is finished, so we expect this to start going up. Okay, so we'll be looking at 1.33 soon. Now we're at 1.950. USD Canadian, this is good to sell. Okay, this is very good. At 1.33 level, then this is sell, and this going to 1.31. Australian, so we expect Australian dollar to go up. Okay, even the worst case scenario to go down is gonna go down 30 more bips, 40 more bips. One thing is now Australian Central Bank, they probably want the Australian dollar to float between 0.69 and 0.73, this level now, 0.74, in those 400 bips. So what we have got last week from the bank, it gives you indication this the central bank, they don't want the Australian dollar to go up. They want to keep it down. So when they saw it was going to 73, they just had this announcement that they may have a rate cut in the future. I don't think so. You never know, but this probably they want the Australian dollar to go down, and this has a huge effect on the Australian dollar. We were just here, and you can see the Australian dollar just crashed across Australian New Zealand, Australian dollar, Australian yen, just all the Australian indexes just crashed. So we expect to start going up. This is a good price to buy. Very good price. This is amazing price to buy. Okay, even if it go lower 50 bips, buy it again. Euro bound, sell at this price. This is pink background, so it's a sell. Would be good to sell on this price. We expect the euro to go down and we expect the pound to go up, so this should be a strong downtrend. Euro Australian, we expect this to be a also good sell. So I've said sell at 1.6 and some people started the sell signal here already. So this is good. We can see the 21 moving average just crossing the 50 in the H1. This is a very good sell. Euro franc, we expect the euro franc maybe come a little bit down, then we'll go back up. But this only for buy, don't sell it. Euro yen, I've said last week sell euro yen, that was really good. So now what we're gonna do, we're not gonna sell in this place, okay? And we're not gonna, you can buy it if it go a little bit lower because it's probably gonna go up, but I would prefer to sell it at 125 range. So at 125, 125.50, this would be a good place to sell. Pound franc, we expect this to go back up, just like the pound index, okay? So we expect the pound index to go up from now and the pound franc. So you can buy it from this level. Pound yen, so just work in small time frames, 5-minute or 15-minute. So you can buy this in this level when you have a buy signal from your strategy, just a small time frame. Australia and New Zealand, just this will be only for buy. And watch out, in the New Zealand we have a cash rate news coming. So I would prefer to go to this after the cash rate so you can know what's gonna happen with the New Zealand cash rate. Is gonna stay steady or is gonna change. Australian franc, this is a really good buy. So you can see the price just came to the 250 moving average, just rest on it. This is a very good buy. Euro Canadian, this is the really deep down, so just wait to go a little bit up, then sell it. Canadian franc, so this after a little bit will be buy, okay? So expect the oil to go up and Canadian to go up and franc to go down, so I will be just abolishing this one, okay? So this is only a buy. Pound Australian dollar, this is a little bit tricky, so at this level you can sell it for a short period of time, okay? You can sell it here for a little bit, then once it comes down to some level here and according to your strategy you start seeing like bouncing from a resistance, you can buy it. So this will be a sell first to some level, then will be buy. Okay, that's it for the day. I hope you guys find this useful, and please leave a comment and follow us if you would like to get more. If you have any question also you can write it down. Okay, thank you a lot. Bye.